What you are about to hear comes from ancient port city in Gujarat, where archaeologists uncovered something that doesn't fit into any known chapter of history. Among the ruins, they found inscriptions written in script that no linguist, historians, or scientist has been able to identify. The excavation began like any other. Broken pottery, withered stones, traces of dogs once touched by Arabian Sea. This port city was once alive, ships arriving with spices, metals, and stories from distant lands. But then, buried beneath the layers of sand and salt, they found something unexpected. Small artifacts emerged first: stone seals, copper plates, fragments of walls. Each one carried markings, symbols carved with precision and intention. At first glance, they looked ancient, but the moment experts saw them, confusion spread. The script wasn't Brahmi, it wasn't Harappan, it wasn't Sanskrit, Persian, or Arabic. In fact, it didn't resemble any known script in the world. Carved strokes met sharp angles, patterns repeated, suggesting grammar. This wasn't decoration, this was a language. Linguists were brought in from across India and beyond. They searched for similarities, ran digital pattern analysis, compared it with ancient scripts from Mesopotamia and Central Asia. Nothing matched. One expert reportedly said it's like finding a message written with rules but no alphabet. The more artifacts they uncovered, the stranger it became. The same symbols appeared again and again on trade-related objects near what looked like storage areas. Whoever lived here used this script daily, yet history had no record of them. Then came the discovery that changed everything. Carbon dating revealed that some inscriptions were older than the Indus Valley script, older than what we consider one of the earliest writing systems in the region. This meant one thing: either history was missing an entire civilization, or this port belonged to people we never knew existed. Local fishermen and villagers weren't surprised. They spoke of an ancient sea people, traders who arrived before recorded history and vanished after angering the ocean. According to local belief, their words were never meant to be read again. Workers at the site began noticing something unsettling. Some symbols appeared different at sunrise and sunset. Others said carvings felt deeper than they looked. A few refused to work after dark. One elder warned that script wasn't just language, it was memory, and memory, when disturbed, remembers back. The final artifact was long stone slab near the ancient docks. It was covered edge to edge with inscriptions, but one symbol stood out. Carved deeper, repeated again and again, almost like a signature or a warning. Shortly after, access to parts of the site was restricted. No official translations were released, and the script remains unread. So the question still lingers: did the Gujarat once host a forgotten civilization of master traders? Or is this script proof that human history is far older and stranger than we believe? Because if these symbols are never decoded, they may rewrite the story of where civilization truly began.